How to add Linea on Trust Wallet app. Are you guys facing issues to add Linea on your Trust Wallet app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. First of all, open Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this icon over here. Click on it. Now tap on search bar and search for Linea. In order to add Linea, just simply toggle this option over here. Once you toggle it, now go back to your Trust Wallet homepage and click on Linea. Now tap on receive button. With the help of this QR code and wallet address, you can receive Linea from different crypto wallets. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add Linea on Trust Wallet app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.